Alright boys, back with another trade recap, and we took a win on us30. us30 has been doing decent recently. I haven't only been taking us30, but it's been doing really well. So we took a $785 win. It was actually a very good trade. We had a very, very good entry and a very good exit as well. So let me go over NASDAQ. If any of yous traded NASDAQ today, I just want you to know that you have broken your rules. You have definitely broken your rules. Because the only entry that's not even really an entry is already more than an hour out of session, right? So NASDAQ, you should have taken no trades. The only trades that you potentially could have taken if you're a fucking trading demon and if there's actually even a setup is if you caught something like, I don't know, you can't even hit the bottom of that fair value gap. So no trades on NASDAQ, us30, let's go. So we had these levels coming into today. We had a top level, we had a bottom level. We can adjust that. Nah, it was here. I would like to say it was here, but it was down here. So basically what price did, this is on the 1 minute time frame. Price opened here, right? Price came up first on this candle right here. Let me zoom in so you guys can see this. Price came up and then came all the way back down, flipped the candle, and basically touched this level, right? It filled this little 1 minute fair value gap as well. And then after, which I think is also a 5 minute fair value gap, and then after, we came all the way back up, and we had a second push past this original push. Even though it wasn't really at the level exactly, I still counted as a first push, especially since we had this wick out of the bottom level, right? So, it pushed, and I was waiting for a little bit extra confirmation, so I was waiting for a little bit extra pushes, just to be safe, so I don't get faked out. This was a really, really good trade anyways, because we've already wicked out both sides. And I was gonna enter here, but it came down and I got a beautiful fill. I got an absolutely beautiful fill on this, right? So, now, the market has wicked out both levels, so we just need a push path either one of these wicks, right? And extra confirmation again, we came into this 5 minute fair value gap, right? So if we come into a fair value gap and reject off of it, or inverse a fair value gap, or BPR, that's just extra confirmation. Another thing for extra confirmation is if we wick out a level first and then flip and then go to the other level and wick that out. Now, since the trade has already wicked out both levels, all you need is a push past the original wick out, right? So we get that, we push up. Take profit was based off of the close of a 15 minute massive fair value gap, and it was also based off this little 5 minute fair value gap as well, but it was lined up to be the same thing. Originally I had my take profit at the end of this fair value gap, but we did get filled over here. So, bro, what more can you ask for? So let me go over the trade one more time. We came down, test the bottom level, came up, test the top level, and then we had a pullback and a second push. Also, we came out of this fair value gap. Stop loss. I see some people put their stop losses here, but they didn't have as much as a good fill as me. So I like to be conservative. I'm not going to get greedy and be like, oh, but I could get it 2 times. Nah, I'd rather just play it like this. And I had a nice 1.49, basically a 1.5 times trade. So that's all it is, boys. Remember, wait for price to come to that level, have that retrace, have that nice big second push. And yeah, that's all it really is. I will be dropping the live video because this is actually probably my favorite trade that we've taken so far this week. And I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.